Right, so I have a new card trick today. It's called Downfall by Peter Duffy. Right, so I have here six of spades. I'm going to show you. Right, I'm going to put 1 6 of spades right there. So now in my hand I have only 5 6 of spades. If I change 1 to 6, 1 face down 6 from 1 face up, now all the cards are face down now. Again, if I change 1 face up for 1 face down, now all the cards are face up. I can do this all day. Look, all the cards are face up, face down, but you cannot do this. You cannot put 2 6s face to face, because if you do that, you give one spin to the cards. Now they're all messed up. All the cards. So look, now the 6s are all marked, as well as these ones. This is all the cards. The 6 cards can be examined. Queens as well. And this is Downfall by Peter Duffy. Enjoy.